2 pencils on your hip bones and you're going to make the first part of the 8 here, or the second part of the 8. Or you can think of it as an infinity sign. Okay, so we go round and round. Okay, that's important for this exercise. Okay, so we're going to start with our feet hip width apart. Soften the knees, pelvis neutral, arms out to the side, pull the elbows down, press the hands against the wall. Now you're in your starting position. We go to the right, centre, left, centre, right, centre, left, centre. From here, we're going to pick up our right foot, toe down on the top or demi-point, whichever's comfortable for you. We're going to do a circle. So we're doing the first part of our figure of 8. This arm, this opposite arm, is going to press up and forward. And you're going to try and keep this part of the arm where it is. Don't let it dip around everywhere. So we go circle, 2, 3, place together. Now when you place your feet together, soften through the feet, not just slamming it down. Other side, circle, 2, 3, together, circle, 2, 3, together, circle, 2, 3, together.